Munini wa President Munguthule kuma utongoini Rigathi Gachagua niweekia avilu utw'io wa benchi asili atatu Makoani unalumiliilye kana munene wa Chief Justice muwandu Philomena Mbete Mwilu ndaathi uvathukanu na miao kwoloota benchi kuungamia usili wa ikoani ye avilu ni ye na ila oyu yimokoni ma Court of Appeal. Gachagua nalumiliilye utw'io wa majaji Justice Eric Ogola, Anthony Murima na muwandu Justice Freda Mugambi oyati ya monyungunyisyo onde alangaliko yosi katani yanenganiye na welesyo wo wake katiba na kwa ukwani yake yailete kwambi ya kwithukirwa. Benjamin Mwaka ena mauvo
vatialite masahama kutalambewe kwani ya munini wa President unang'uthulilwe kuma kivilane Rigathi Gachagua yambiye umuthi nwasemba kotini wa avilu kutata kusukumisia kwani yambe kuungamia kwithukirwa. Nthini wa avilu yake kwisila wakili John Jomo Gachagua heweta majaji atatu alama ungamite kwani uvathukanu na miao fala kuweta utw'io wa majaji kana munini wa Chief Justice muwandu Philomena Mbete Mwilu amanyuvieki katiba kuungamia kwani thi uyati ya maungungunisyo mo na mwalanyo alama nenganitwe katibani kukonya uthukumi wa musili munene wa Makoani na munini wake.
As long as the bench has been appointed by the Chief Justice who has declined to follow the fair process for purposes of appointment of the various judges to sit, there cannot be a valid appointment. This litany of irregularities contaminates the sitting of this bench irredeemable.
Mawakili hema Gachagua methitwo mailumiliilye musili munene wa Makoani niwe mwitikilie katiba kunyuva kana kuaya majaji uthukumi Makoani-ini amwe alame mwana indi munini wake welesyo la wekiwetheka nthini wa utw'io wa benchi ya majaji atatu chuma kivitu.
To us, it is beyond peradventure that the Honorable DCJ can assign judges under Article 165 of Article 4 of the Constitution whenever he or she is discharging any of the constitutional functions on behalf of the Chief Justice. In this case, we do not find any fault in the Honorable DCJ assigning judges to sit in this bench, more so when the Honorable Chief Justice has not raised any red flag.
Avilu ya Gachagua yuka masa makutala matialite na okane kwani yake kwambia na muno usili wa vata yiulu wa serikali kusiwa kutoa isiso ya kumuithia kithito munini wa President ulona vitukiwe ni mbunge Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki. Vilengo wa mavo kumava musili lovi nyanita wa Benjamin Mwaka.